Did you know that making homemade creamy pasta is way easier than you think? And also, thinking of the secret ingredients you need to achieve this, then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your creamy Alfredo pasta. Let's get right into it. So in the pot we're going to add our butter, but feel free to use margarine or a little bit of oil if you don't have any. Next step is we're going to add our shrimp and also a little bit of seasoning cube, and then we're just going to mix together and allow it to sit between 3 to 4 minutes on a medium heat. The moment your shrimp turns pink, it is ready. Mind you, shrimps don't take time to get cooked. Same pot, we're going to add a little bit of our cooking oil, then also our grated pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. Then we're going to mix together. Next step is to add our seasoning cube according to the quantity, that little bit of seasoning cube. And I'm also going to mix together. Mind you, this has to be on a low heat while you're cooking it. Then we're going to add our cooking cream. If you want to know how to make your cooking cream, then the video is up on my YouTube channel. I'm going to tag it to this video so it's easier for you whenever you want to make your homemade cooking cream. Next step, we're going to allow it to sit between 1 to 90 seconds. That's 1 minute to 90 seconds. Then we're going to add our shrimps, allow it to boil, then we're just going to set aside. So in another pot, we're going to add our water, allow it to bring to a boil, then we're going to add our salt and also our pasta. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure the pasta is well and properly seated inside the pot. Mind you, this pasta takes between 7 to 9 minutes on a medium heat to get cooked. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit for just 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to check it, and all I had to do was just to sieve. Mind you, while you're sieving your pasta, make sure you keep some pasta water because you'll be needing it. So I'm just going to add my sauce back on fire. Then I'm going to add my pasta to it, and then I'm just going to mix this until it is well and properly combined. Like I always tell you, whenever you want to make your pasta or your noodles or anything you know it's going to require a lot of turning, I will always suggest you use like a bigger pot or a wider pot so it's easier for you. After mixing this, I'm just going to add pasta water, just a little bit of the pasta water because I don't want this to be too thick. And also, if you want your pasta to be very creamy, all you have to do is just to add more cream to this. But for me, this is perfect. So I just allowed it to sit for just 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat, and all I had to do was just to serve, and this is the outcome. And I also served this with my grilled chicken, and I added my dried parsley flakes. So if you want to know how to make this grilled chicken, video too is up on my YouTube channel. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.